Ever consider why some people seem to be able to draw wealth, happiness, and success with hardly any effort? What if I told you that there is a powerful, universal force at work that constantly molds our lives and has excessive influence over each of us? The law of attraction is the key to an incredible life full of things you can't even dream of. Knowing how to use the energy you release into the universe, you could draw anything you wanted. Most definitely. Not just feasible. Just understand this fact. Today is the first day of our trip to understand and apply the law of attraction. You will experience better life after this trip. Prepare to learn how to realize your dreams, obtain your long-desired success, and lead the ideal life you have always imagined. This is not merely a wishful thinking. Making actual adjustments is what will enable amazing changes to occur in your life. Let us explore the cosmos in great detail to discover the keys to a happy, contented life. The moment to exercise your power is now. Imagine for a moment that you are holding a powerful magnet capable of drawing in all of your aspirations. It is not only a fantasy, it's a metaphorical expression for a strong force that every one of us possesses. Attaining your goals. This law states, to put it simply, that we are drawn to the things we concentrate on. They are not only transient ideas, it was they who created the world. Every thought generates an audio wave, and it draws like energies in like a magnet. Imagine your thoughts to be a garden. For what do you plant seeds? Feelings, thoughts, aspirations, or uncertainties and fears. Everybody is welcome to the garden. It grows whatever you plant it with. That is the main idea of the law of attraction. At this stage, it's reasonable to be dubious about this concept. Do the events in our life really change because of our thoughts? You could have an interest. This question has long perplexed and astounded people. But consider for a moment the potential that you possess the ability to create the masterpiece of a life you have always imagined. Maintain your receptivity. We've an endless stream of opportunities to enter our lives when we allow ourselves to believe in what we cannot see. The universe is listening, thus you have to trust the process before you can apply the law of attraction. There is more than one way to the attraction law. Rather, it is a set of rules that cooperate to guide your usage of it. Look at the 7 fundamental guidelines that enable the application of this universal force. First thing we discover is the law of manifestation. Everything in our environment mirrors our inner thoughts and emotions. We realize the images we have in our heads. Seeing that serves as a powerful reminder that we control our own destiny. We then are drawn into the orbit of the law of magnetism, demonstrating that we bring both our desires and who we are to the world. Our energy has a certain pattern that draws to itself objects and people that align with that pattern. According to the law of unwavering desire, our wants have to be strong, unambiguous, and unwavering. Our desires are like a beacon pointing ships in the direction of land. Let the universe carry out its work, controlling our wants. The universe needs us to be grateful and appreciative, as the law of delicate balance reminds us. The key is striking the ideal ratio of giving to receiving. More details on harmony are provided by the law of harmony, which also advises us to align ourselves with the universe's natural flow. This is the route with the least amount of difficulties. Right action law ensures that our words and deeds correspond with our intentions. It is a plea to be sincere and to ensure that our deeds improve both our own and those around us. The law of universal influence, last, demonstrates our interdependence. In ways we can see and ways we cannot, every thought and deed we do affects the cosmos. Instantaneously, everything is related by the way these laws are drafted. A gentle reminder that we are a part of the universe and that it is always changing and that we are not alone in it. The universe communicates, but negative ideas are like radio static. They increase noise and obstruct the music. The cosmos attentively detects the frequencies we emit and reacts with experiences that correspond to those frequencies. Like a garden that flourishes with proper care and attention, So too do our lives flourish when we give our aspirations hope and optimism. Remember, though, that allowing fear and uncertainty to take root can lessen the impact of our efforts, retarding our expansion. You have to pick the appropriate frequency to create the conditions for an abundant symphony. Positive energy sending into the universe is a practice as much as an idea. The methodical steps that result in a contented and happy life. Put yourself in the present first. Our foundation is awareness. Consider every breath to be a positive color added to your life. Check that there is clarity next. What you wish to add to the carpet of your life is crucial to know. As though your dreams were happening right now, go into great detail about them. I like that. Food comes in second. Your energy, when you recognize the beauty in the here and now, draws in more things for which to be thankful. Declare your goals then, as if you were telling the universe itself what you want. Speak the phrases that, in your heart, bring your dreams to pass. Lastly, trust and let go, as releasing a balloon in the sky. Believe that your desires will be guided to their proper destination by the universe. Faith is the final step, assembling the elements and letting the manifestation magic to operate in your life. We tune in with the frequencies of love, plenty, and happiness by doing these things. We draw these frequencies nearer to us with every breath, thought, and deed. You'll run against obstacles and hear doubtful whispers as you begin to realize your dreams. All of it is a part of the trip. Let's discuss, nevertheless, how to overcome these obstacles and give up doubts. Doubt and negative thoughts are the most prevalent issues. That makes sense. Critical thinking and questioning are taught to our minds. That uncertainty, though, can be precisely what halts the positive energy flow. How then are we to move past this? Initially, acknowledge these ideas for what they are. Ideas, just mental transitory visitors to the institution. They don't have to camp there. Switch them out for affirmations, which are uplifting statements that support your ability to maintain attention on your objectives. To practice gratitude, concentrate on the wonderful things in your life now. You create space for more to develop in this way. Maintaining drive in the face of adversity presents another difficulty. To keep going is the crucial thing. Recognize that a lot of hard work preceded every major success. Take the failures as opportunities rather than obstacles. Many things, including people, podcasts, and books, can inspire you. Recall that until focused, the sun's rays are not burning. Examine your energy and you'll overcome the obstacles. Let us explore the core of manifesting expectation and belief. The universe is not changed by wishful thinking. Strong conviction and steadfast belief are what it reacts to. How, though, do you get people to accept that? Think of yourself first as a success. Clearly sketch it out. How appears it? Are you inclined to? Similar in scent. That is so because the act of visualizing your objectives gives them greater substance and reachability. Faith also demands that one take action. Hope is insufficient. You must project an image of what you want already happening. This is thinking that you will succeed. It is not ignoring reality. Prepare your life so that your aspirations may materialize. If you want to find love, make place in your life and heart for that certain someone. Should you secure a new position, prepare for this moment. Act, and the cosmos will respond. Expectations are like powerful siblings to beliefs. Things will work out nicely. They will most likely. That's like planting a seed and hoping for the best. You tend to it and water it because you want it to grow healthily, not because you want to see results immediately. Grow a garden of positive ideas and see as your desires materialize right in front of your eyes. Expectations and belief go hand in hand to take you from fantasizing to actual achievement. Use them and the universe will conspire to support you in your quest to fully utilize the law of attraction and improve our lives. There are legitimate tasks to complete. This is no idle moment. It's a potent ritual that will support you in bringing your energy into line with your objectives. Why? Though, limit meditation to meditation. Positive things about affirmations are uncountable. These are no idle platitudes. They are firmly and sincerely held assertions about our reality. We hear from the universe through affirmations, and every word we speak determines our destiny. Then there is being appreciative, that which alters our perceptions, transforming obstacles into opportunities and scarcity into plenty. A full life is mostly dependent on being thankful, introducing more of the things we enjoy into our life. However, the secret is to be sincere and constant. These behaviors go beyond simple actions. They are daily holy rites that sow the seeds for the crop we intend to harvest. When we follow these rituals honestly every day and apply the law of attraction to our life, the true power of them is revealed. Use this profound wisdom in all areas of our lives, including our work. Imagine ourselves achieving our goals and seizing chances that resonate with us. Relationship call making. Let us concentrate on the happiness of giving, understanding, and love. Deep, meaningful, and useful connections will be made possible for us by this. Considering health, let's call it vitality and well-being, believing that the cosmos will provide us with opportunities to develop personally and enhance our mental and physical well-being. Let us continue to be receptive to lessons the cosmos may impart to us. Graciously greeting change and progress. The path is full of lessons, development, and change, and is every bit as lovely as the destination. Recall that maintaining a good energy flow is about improving the world as much as obtaining your own desires. As we proceed along this road, let's observe the energy and vibrations we emit into the cosmos. For it is in giving that we get, and more of the same comes into our lives when we radiate love, joy, and gratitude. There are other applications for the law of attraction than merely following it. They make their living in this way. The cosmos dances with us to bring us to our best selves and the life of our dreams as we stand on the brink of a fresh horizon. We have arrived at a watershed in our understanding and application of the law of attraction, the moment of action. One thing is knowing the path. Walking it is quite another. We have to be prepared to take the first step in order to realize the goals and changes we want to make in our life. To do something after giving it thought. From hoping to acting, more than just thoughts are the concepts we have discussed together. They provide illumination for the way to a life abundant in happiness and contentment. What benefits meditation can offer you? Promising. Also, many thanks. Faith is where strength is found. Furthermore, the strength of positive energy. These are all gifts that are only waiting to be unwrapped when we act, practice daily, and genuinely want to align our lives with our greatest goals. I thus extend an invitation to you to begin today and decide that going forward you will adhere to these life-changing ideas. Acknowledge the ongoing changes, for they lead to the life you've always desired. The law of attraction does really operate. What is possible when we passionately and purposefully release our energy into the cosmos is a living promise. Right now is the moment to take action. Start small, but start now. Let every day move you one step closer to your goals as evidence that you are capable of creating the life you desire. Have fun and never forget that the energy you emit is always being heard and responded to by the cosmos. Feel pleased with it and fortify it, and observe the changes in the surroundings. If you find this message to be relevant and you want to take control of your life and realize its full potential, I kindly ask that you subscribe to our channel and like this video. Doing that makes you a member of a community of people who aspire to